In a world where vulnerabilities abound, a select few possess the license to secure. Microsoft Sentinel stands as your most powerful ally, but its potential needs to be tapped. Not every agent has the skills to unravel its enigma, leading to compromised threat detection and escalating costs. If you accept this mission, there are 3 skills you'll need to master. In Mission 2, your mission is to make the best use of your log data to detect in-progress attacks and improve your cyber defenses. If your organization has moved beyond logging for purely compliance-based reasons and ventured into detecting attacks closer to real time, you've no doubt had to go deep into what security logs are telling you from a wide variety of data sources. Detective controls like EDR, SASE, CASB, CNAPP solutions, and secure email gateways can provide an amazingly rich view into what's happening on your network, when it happens, and how it's happening. Being able to make sense of this data to detect attackers on your network and accomplish your mission will depend on a few key factors. First is the collection and normalization of your log data. Configuring audit logging from source systems is the easy part, but understanding what should be logged often feels like it requires some input from Agent Q. Selecting a data model to normalize all your log messages will be the key to writing effective correlation rules and venturing into more advanced detection methodologies like risk-based analytics. Data connectors are how you go about getting data into your Sentinel environment, and choosing the best techniques will require all your skill as a data agent. Deciding between Microsoft-provided connectors, third-party developed connectors, or rolling your own will determine the ingestion and log formatting options that are available for you to use. Second, you'll need to apply your detection content engineering skills to write analytic rules that can detect potential threats in log data and that are aligned to your threat models. The data normalization you did in the first step will make this step easier because you're able to write detections across a variety of data sources using a standardized schema for fields that contain security-relevant data. For environments with high volumes of alerts, we find that using techniques such as risk-based analytics are the best way to prioritize your SOC analyst efforts. You'll be using the outputs of your KQL queries to investigate and evict the bad guys from your network. Finally, you'll be doing this in a budget-constrained environment, which means potentially managing a large volume of logs and cloud ingestion costs. Most security controls and hybrid infrastructure produce a much larger volume of logs than is generally required from a security perspective, and using Azure native features like data collection rules and lower cost storage options like Azure Data Explorer can help you make the most out of your logging budget. In many cases, logs can be filtered at the log source level to keep your budgets flying under the radar. Before you begin your mission, you may find it helpful to consult with another senior agent or dive into our resources. Use the link provided with this mission briefing to download a copy of our Sentinel Deployment Best Practices Guide or sign up for a one-on-one consultation with our experts. This briefing will now self-destruct.